In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Sheets to N8N in just a few minutes. Whether you're building automations for customer lists, sales data, or you simply want a smooth, reliable way to move information between your tools, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the spot where you want to bring in your Google Sheets connection. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Add Node. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Click the plus button, search for Google Sheets, and select it. You'll see actions like creating spreadsheets, reading rows, or appending data, all designed to help you automate your work instantly. Next, click on the action you want, for example, Create Spreadsheet. You'll see several options that help you set things up properly. Inside the node settings, look for the field labeled Credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. Click the drop-down, choose Create New Credential, and a window will pop up asking you to sign in with Google. Go ahead and click Sign in with Google. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. Ensure you have access to the sheets you plan to use, and keep pop-ups enabled so the login windows can appear. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've signed in, Google will show you a permission screen. After you review those permissions, click Continue. N8N will then bring you back to your workflow, and you'll see a message confirming that your Google Sheets account is now connected. After that, you should be able to use your new credential instantly without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to refresh your browser tab once if you don't see the credential appear. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your connection fully synced, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to connect Google Sheets to N8N easily and efficiently, and you'll be ready to automate tasks like reading rows or appending new data whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to automate their workflows. Why not make someone's day easier?